Hi there and welcome to today's Insight and Check-in. So instead of an insight, I wanted to share with you a women's workshop and circle for menopause, which I'm hosting on the 10th of September at the Catel du Zen Room. And it's going to be a combination of teaching you about a holistic approach to menopause, combined with the opportunity for deep rest and relaxation. So bring a yoga mat, cushions, we'll have candles, crystals, some beautiful rose cards, and a guided visualization. And the visualization will probably be around meeting your crone self, your queen self, which is the part of you that really comes into fullness in the fourth phase of your life. But she's in there all the time. And just to help you on the journey of crossing over from that very powerful third life phase of the sort of wild woman archetype, the enchantress, where you're still cycling, you're still having a menstrual cycle, but perhaps you've entered premenopause, perhaps you're in perimenopause, so it's starting to become less regular, or perhaps you've even moved into postmenopause and are still wanting to integrate this tremendous rite of passage. So I invite you to get in touch by email or any of the usual means that you get in touch with me to find out more. And I'd absolutely love to see you there. It's going to be a really powerful, beautiful gathering of women connecting together and discovering how we can really take care of ourselves at a deep, deep level. Okay, so let's do our beautiful check-in as we reach the peak of summer. Focusing on our breath to ground us, so a lovely deep breath into the belly. And I've got a little bit of Haseya playing, which is by the wonderful Ajit. So let's, in our seated position, begin to close our eyes and draw our attention inwards, our focus inwards, and really feel, if we can, that beautiful self-love that we have for ourselves and each other. And if you don't feel that way, if you feel discombobulated in any way, that's okay. Please do honor where you're at and how you're feeling. So draw that breath deep into the roots from your feet, pushing through to the central core of Mother Earth, and drawing that energy up through your feet, through your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your torso, all the way up to your chest, your shoulders down to the tips of your fingers, and then back up through your throat and through your head, and like a fountain coming out of the top of your head and back down onto the earth. So feeling that grounding and that support, and then letting sunlight drop into the top of your head and like liquid gold dropping through the whole of your body, particularly your heart space. Golden sunlight pouring through the whole of your body, down to the tips of your fingers, down to the tips of your toes. And so now you have the two energies of the earth energy and the universal wisdom coursing through your body, supporting you, guiding you, shining light where it needs to be shone. And then I've got a little bit of this beautiful Archangel Michael spray for communication and safety, which again, you can spray it. A wonderful ascended masters that are available to us at any time, their energies, as well as all sorts of other beneficent energies to support us in our lives as we travel through, particularly when we think of loved ones who've crossed over. They have not left us, they are still here, perhaps in a different form. We can't see them, and that can be frustrating, but they are here with us and they are guiding us and supporting us. So allow their energy to infuse you, particularly the ones that you had a strong connection with on this earth. Allow yourself to be open to support at this time. You are not alone. And as I think of the discourses of Saint Germain, who speaks of the I am divine presence within us, I am being a very strong wording and not to be used lightly. So do watch when you're using I am at the beginning of a phrase, that you use it with reverence and with self-care. And use it to help you. I am safe, I am loved, I am cared for, all is well with the world. I am health, wealth and abundance. I let go of anything that does not serve me. Coming to a quiet place, centering yourself and sensing where you're drawn to in your body. What needs your attention? And perhaps draw your attention to the chakras, the root chakra to ground you, help you feel secure and safe. The sacral chakra, seat of creativity. Your solar plexus, your seat of personal power. Your heart chakra, seat of loving and receiving, giving and receiving, and the seat of love. The throat chakra, where you speak your truth. The third eye, your seat of universal wisdom. Your crown chakra, your connection to the divine. Allow all of those chakras to be open in their various colours, purple or white for the crown, indigo for the third eye, sky blue for the throat, pink for the heart, or green, solar plexus yellow, orange for the sacral chakra, and red for the root. And imagining their spinning vortexes, spinning healthily. When they're healthy, they're spinning fast. Let's just check so it's actually going anti-clockwise. Like a spiral. And notice with the spiral that you sort of go up, round and back, and down. So in life you may find you don't feel you're going forwards, but you are. It's just a more up and down. So breathing in, connecting within. Any emotion, just allow it to pass like a wave. Be curious. Your mind is not you. You are consciousness, watching the mind, being curious without judgment, watching all the different thoughts and feelings that are occurring right now, and just letting them be. It's okay, whatever those thoughts are. Deepening your breath if you feel to. To release anything that doesn't serve you. And then just bringing your attention to one particular place that you're drawn to. Perhaps opening your hands out on your lap, allowing yourself to receive healing white light. And then letting that white light travel through your hands, up through your arms, to the particular space that you would like it to go to. Healing white light. I am listening, hearing, loving exactly in the way that is right for me. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I am breathing in white light and breathing out grey smoke, whatever doesn't serve me. Breathing in what does serve me and breathing out what doesn't serve me. And perhaps using your hands to place wherever you feel drawn to place, to direct your attention further. And if you feel any buzzing sensation, that's okay, that's just energy. It's just movement and energy. And with the deepest self-love and gratitude, taking this time for you, placing your hand wherever you need to place it, without judgment or criticism, letting that go. Everything is okay. Everything is working out for me. Perhaps connecting with your inner child. What does he or she need? And then gently coming to an end now, we're going to just place our hands in our Namaste position at the heart space. Breathing in and letting go. Everything is okay. I know it's hard sometimes and life feels hard, but breathe, breathe and invite in your higher self to guide you. Everything is okay. Just breathe in, take in this beautiful music for a moment actually. Really to feel the divine now, both within and around you. You are loved. Perhaps have your eyes open. Let the music infuse you. doing so well. I know it doesn't feel like that sometimes, but really, take it from me. You're doing so well. So give yourself a pat on the back and take a breather whenever you need. It's all going to be okay. Bow your head with gratitude, with love. Be gentle with yourself.